Mother Nature always reigns supreme. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This was needed. It's been dry. And very, very, very hot. Today, it's been very hot. Yesterday, very hot. And away we go. We about to get out of this, head to the river. I'm gonna say the sun's shining, everything's been watered, the grass and the tall grasses are gonna be kind of laid and bent over from the heaviness of the water. But overall, everything is gonna have, you know, when you go to get your vegetables at the grocery store and they do this, the little mist over it, that's what it's gonna do out there. So we about to head out. Well, what up? We made it. I predicted it. Told you everything. I've had a nice little shower. It's nice and green. Sun's out. Water's up a little bit. We got the dogs. Hey, I'm filming. That's why you about to get stung on your head. Be nice. Where's your joy?
He's a joy stealer.
this little stream has turned into a practice pool for the fish. If you go to that portion and stand in the river down there, your ankles will get nipped at by fish that are swimming upstream against the current. Obviously, the little tiny ones can't go that way because the current is too strong. But here, since we opened it up, the fish that were using this area over here as just a little, it was just a little, so it wasn't stagnant because there was some movement because it's attached to the water still, but they were all just kind of hanging around the edges of the shallows. And here, by opening it up, it has opened a stream for some stronger rapids to where they can make it down this one, and it brings them into this pool where they can kind of congregate, and then they have a little calmer waters, and then they get down to here and it picks up again, and so then they can practice swimming upstream through this smaller pool of water before hitting the big one. So it's too shallow for the bigger fish to make it down this way, but it's just shallow enough for the babies to practice. And also, they let me dig, so there's so many good rocks in here. Oh, all these different ones that I found just in the shuffling of clearing that out. So I think these would be excellent candidates to, all right, abracadabra. These will be excellent candidates to tumble. Some really nice agates. Look at that. Ooh. Right? Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, it's got its flow back. Okay, so I had to catch a mid-project update. We now have small pool, reinforced walls. I'm so grateful for David. God bless me with such an amazing man. He found all of these rocks and he put them all in for me. They're way heavier than anything that I could have carried, but he understood what I was attempting to do and stepped it up a level. There's not any way that that I could have come up with this on my own or put it together on my own. The last time I tried this project, it didn't turn out so well. Check the video, you'll see what I mean. This is what I was going for, but definitely above and beyond what I had imagined. So I'm thankful, so grateful to have someone with me that understands my vision and believes in it and enjoys having fun doing this with me. It's like a nature spa treatment.
We ain't got enough clay, but I wonder what mine would look like because it would cover the whole head.
We do have enough, well, not enough clay right here, but there's enough clay here.
Funny, is it would be good for your skin to do that every time you come? Also to keep the mosquitoes off of you.
I'll just cover my whole body,
Naked and afraid.
like in Crocodile Dundee.
Naked They get afraid they would do it, and also animals like elephants and rhinos and shit like that. Also,
Yeah. Okay, so that'll be next video. That'll be next video. You cover my whole body in clay.
Oil.
I'll start cracking.
I'm waiting for the day that you realize that I'm so down for you. I'm your ride or die. Take you by the hand, look into your eyes. I'ma tell you, girl.